YouTube. Hey, your boy Trey Styles back with another banger. You know what I mean? If y'all read the caption, you already know what we finna be talking about today. Your boy is monetized on Instagram. I don't know if that's what they call it, but that's what we call it. You know what I mean? Your boy can now make money off of Reels. So I'm gonna show y'all how I got it done, the steps I did. You know what I mean? The process that I did. Hey, like, comment, subscribe right now. Turn on post notifications. And you better watch this video to the end, because I'm dropping gems all the way through. Let's get it. All right, so look. First and foremost, I'm going to need y'all to go follow me on Instagram at trade.styles_.com.
Bruh.
.com.
Bruh.
Hey, it's been a long day. Listen, it ain't .com, but look, trade.styles_, at trade.styles, at trade.styles_. You know what I mean? Y'all know what the vibe is. It's located right in the intro. You know what I mean? All my socials, well, my Instagram is right in the intro. You know what I mean? Go follow me. Make sure y'all watching my reels. You know what I mean? I'm giving y'all the sauce. I'm teaching y'all how to make money from literally doing nothing. Y'all can cook. Y'all can literally cook or make little funny videos. You can really take videos that's already out there, post them on your page like a meme page. You know what I mean? Grow that page and then start getting paid from it. Boom. You know what I mean? Bro, we live in a generation where we could really make money from our phone. You know what I mean? From sitting on our butt. You know, it's working, but you can really make, you know what I'm saying, money from the touch of your phone. From the touch of your phone. Like, we the only generation that can do that. So I need y'all to go follow me on the gram. I'm gonna say it again, at trade.styles_. You know what I mean? I'm showing love. I'm following everybody back. You know what I mean? If you don't get a follow back to me, I'm getting too many followers, or I'm just not on Instagram at the time. Shoot me a DM. If you got any questions, comment below. Shoot me a DM. I'm always replying to people. You know what I mean? I'm always trying to look out for people. I'm trying to help y'all. I'm giving y'all the sauce. You know what I mean? So like I said, watch this video to the end, because I'm dropping gems. Gems on top of gems. You know what I mean? You ain't gonna get this information from nobody else. Nobody else is gonna tell you this. This is gems, I'm telling you. All right, look, y'all. So look, step number one of what y'all gotta do. I mean, if y'all ain't already did this, go make you your Instagram, go make it a public figure or a /business account. Whatever niche y'all in, go ahead and do that. Whether you entrepreneur, I mean, it's different classes. I mean, I believe it's like hairstylist, barber, content creator. There's like different little niches and like things that you can put. You can actually, I believe, type in your own. You know what I mean? If you're a blogger, you can put that on there. Just go make you a business account. You know what I mean? That way you can see your insights too. You know what I mean? Insights are important. It's gonna tell you what time to post. It's gonna tell you, you know what I'm saying, when your followers are most active, what days, you know what I mean, what times. You know what I mean? It tell you a lot. You know what I mean? If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm finna just show you what I'm talking about. You know what I mean? We finna go through my insights real quick. You know what I mean? Hold on. So that's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna go to my Instagram real quick. You know what I'm saying? If y'all ain't heard of me, okay, hold on. We're gonna cancel all that. Those are a couple DMs. We're gonna go to the insights. Boom. Let's go. We're just gonna click last 30 days. And that give you a good insight on stuff. And we're gonna go to followers. Then you'll be able to see, like, you know what I'm saying, your overall growth. I mean, my Instagram kind of suck, you know what I mean? That's why I need y'all to go follow me, show some love. You know what I mean? But we got overall 1 follower plus. You know what I mean? We got 2 unfollows within the last 30 days. We got 3 followers within the last 30 days. So overall 1. It show you where most of your followers are from, top locations. We got cities. Mine is Milwaukee, which is the city that I'm from. Houston, that's where I'm moving to. Shout out y'all. You know what I mean? If y'all in Houston, hit me up. We got New York. We got Lagos. I believe that's in Nigeria, if I'm correct. And then we also got Atlanta. I was planning to move to Atlanta. That's probably why I got a lot of Atlanta followers. I miss with Atlanta, for real. Then, you know what I'm saying, you got the countries too. So we got United States, of course, Nigeria, China, Brazil, and India. So, and then also tell you the age of your followers from, you know what I'm saying, all your followers to the men, to the women. You know what I mean? Then you got the gender of, you know what I mean, men to women ratio. I'm just now starting to get a lot of more, you know what I'm saying, men followers since I've been being a barber for the last 2 or 3 years consistently. You know what I mean? I used to have all women followers. I did not follow dudes, like, you know what I mean? But I'm starting to follow y'all. So, you know what I'm saying? What's up, gang? What's up, bro? What's up, sis, if you're watching this and you're a female? You know what I mean? Let's get to this money. So, like I said, it's going to show you the most active times. First, we're going to click on days. See, mine's, you know what I mean? My every day is pretty much the same for me, but we're going to go through the hours. And what I like to do is just click on that. So, like, for example, today is Friday. The worst time would be to post is 3 a.m. for me on a Friday. You know what I mean? The best time would be about, let's just say 6 p.m. But anywhere between 12 and 9 are good times. You know what I mean? Honestly, I was told if you wanna stay consistent, try to post at least twice a day. Realistically, 3. We want to do 9 a.m., 12 a.m., and 6 p.m. Let's try that. Or either if you can't do that, make 2 posts, 12 p.m., 6 p.m. You know what I mean? If you can't do that, pick the best time out of your most active times and try to upload at least once a day. You know what I mean? Because with Instagram, the algorithm is real tricky. It's not like YouTube. You know what I mean? The algorithm for Instagram is totally different. If you don't post on there, people don't see your stuff. If you post once a month, you know what I mean? Nobody gonna see it. You use the same hashtags, you know what I'm saying, multiple times, you know what I mean? After each post, you start getting shadow banned. If you don't know what shadow ban is basically where you ever post something at the right time, you know what I mean? You feel like, you know what I'm saying, would've got a lot of engagement and you don't get no likes, like no engagement, nobody even seen your post, you shadow ban most likely, you know what I mean? So you just gotta, it's hard to get out of shadow ban too. So, I mean, like I said, that's what you gotta do. So look, step 2, after you do them step 2, after you make the business account, you know what I mean? After you know what I'm saying, you a public figure, you a blogger, whatever your niche is, or you know what I'm saying, you put it in, start trying to build a fan base, you know what I'm saying? Start trying to connect with your followers. You know what I mean? I don't care what you're doing. Connect with them, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? They comment on your stuff, comment back. Show love, bro. Like somebody blow up your page, you know what I'm saying? Like 3, 4, 5 of your videos. Even if you don't follow them back, go show some love back, bro. That's just how I did it. Like, especially if you already on Instagram, you know what I'm saying? You already online, just go do it. I'm telling you, people, once you show love to people, they gonna keep seeing your stuff, bro. It's like the way the algorithm works. Once you connect with somebody and somebody connect with you, they gonna always start seeing your stuff. It's gonna be like this. Every time you post, you're gonna be the first person. Y'all ain't never noticed, like on Instagram, when you watch people's story, the people's story that you watch the most is always the most recent. You know what I mean? Because that's how the algorithm works. It know that you connect with those people, so Instagram is gonna push those people towards you. So basically, you wanna push yourself upon your followers. Even, you know what I mean? That's what you want to do. And then how to know if you on the explore page, basically, if you're getting a lot of views, for one, if you're looking at your insights, it'll tell you where your views came from. It'll tell you story shares. And it'll also tell you who's seen your post, whether it was from hashtags or whether it was from like somebody that follow you or somebody that don't follow you. So if somebody doesn't come from a hashtag and they don't follow you, you most likely are on the explore page. Especially with Reels, it's real easy to get on there. I remember one time I literally posted a video. It's crazy because it got taken down within like 30 minutes, but within 5 minutes, I had 1 million views on it. It was a reel of some puppies. my puppy, my dog had some puppies, not the one, the same dog, but not the litter that I just posted on Instagram, on YouTube. But about a year ago, I had posted it, but they took it down. So we ain't even gonna go there. We finna, run it back up. You know what I mean? So look, step 3, you know what I mean? We just gonna stay consistent, you know what I mean? Like I said, stay uploading. Realistically, I know it's hard to upload 3 times a day. I know it's hard, you know what I mean? It ain't easy. Being a content creator is not easy, y'all. I'm telling you, coming up with things to post, to stay relevant, things that people actually wanna watch or are gonna stay interested in, it's hard. Listen, the human mind frame and attention span is small. I believe they did a science experiment saying that goldfish have a bigger attention span than humans. Our attention span is 4 seconds. You know what I mean? So you just gotta be real creative with the reels. I would say when you making them, try to flip the view or like the little scenery about every 3 to 4 seconds. You know what I mean? Every 3 to 4 seconds, you want a different little clip. It could be the same clip, but just change it. And then also, it's about the audio y'all put in there. Rather it's a popular song, it's a motivation speech thing, or whatever. The sound, that matters, man. So pick that right too. I would say, if you've been seeing a sound that's popular and everybody using it, and you notice like, dang, I keep hearing this song. Same with TikToks. It's kind of like the same way. Reels are real similar to TikTok. If you see something popular, I ain't saying be copycat and just do exactly what they did, but ride the wave, bruh. It's like if you a surfer and you see a wave and somebody else riding the wave, you gonna get on the wave too. You know what I mean? So keep doing that. Step 4 is we gonna post content. That's all you gotta do. Just keep posting content. Like I said, stay consistent, build that fan base, and that's all you gotta do. After that, you gonna start, I ain't gonna say you just gonna start earning money, you know what I mean? But if you put the hard work in, I'm telling you, it's gonna pay off. Y'all gonna get to this money. We gonna get it. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to teach all my peoples to eat, all my subscribers, gang. You know what I'm saying? We all gonna eat, you know what I mean? And from what I believe, you get paid off each view on your reel. And from what I was told, it's kind of like how YouTube is. Excuse me. It's kind of like how YouTube is. I believe one view is 1 to 5 cents. But look, I believe that the threshold to get paid is $100 anyway. So you're gonna have to, you know what I'm saying? It's just like how YouTube is. You gotta cross that $100 mark. But I'm telling you, with these numbers and you staying consistent, you uploading every day, it's not gonna be hard to hit at all. I'm telling you guys, stay consistent out there, grow your following base, your fan base. Hey, best of luck. Comment your Instagram below. You know what I'm saying? We got a real big community here. We gonna follow you. We gonna show you some love. I'm gonna show you some love. So comment your Instagram below. You know what I mean? Like I said, my Instagram is @trade.styles_. Feel free to DM me. I reply all the time, you know what I'm saying, when I got time. I do reply. You know what I'm saying? Go follow me. Go show love to my reels. You know what I mean? Let's get this money. We out, gang.